On September 14, 2023, Ford unveiled its 7th-generation Mustang with great excitement. This new model, the 2024 Mustang, is particularly noteworthy as it represents the final modern American muscle car to feature internal combustion engines. Building on the engineering advancements of the 2015-2023 Mustangs, the 2024 Mustang's S650 platform is updated to meet Ford's all-new criteria. While it retains the roof, floor, and suspension pickup points from its predecessor, much of the platform has been redesigned based on insights gained from the S550 era. The new Mustang boasts a boldly restyled appearance focused on sleek aerodynamics, utilizing computational fluid dynamics and wind tunnel testing to enhance drag reduction and fuel efficiency. Additionally, a cross-car beam in the front boosts chassis rigidity. The new steering shaft and a quicker 15:5:1 ratio in the electronic power steering have necessitated recalibrations for each model, delivering improved precision and confidence through the new flat-bottom steering wheel. Inside, the Mustang departs from the classic double-brow dashboard design, though much of the interior still echoes the S550. The console has been updated to match the new dashboard design, and the larger, flat-bottom steering wheel facilitates easier entry and exit. A key feature of the S650 is its advanced digital cockpit, which serves as an interface for customizing vehicle appearance and performance. The base model features a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch Sync 4 center screen, with higher trims combining these displays under a single pane of glass. For those opting for the high-performance 5.0-liter Dark Horse Mustang, the engine delivers a remarkable 100 horsepower per liter. This version of the General 4 Coyote engine includes forged rods from the S550 Shelby 500 and revised exhaust cam timing, producing 500 horsepower and 418 lb-ft of torque with a 7,500 rpm redline.